Yes, this is what I'm talking about. I just found the ugliest yoga website in San Diego and I rebuilt it in 8 minutes using Lovable. Here's the final result. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Part 5, you guys could check out all the other videos. I make the sites, we contact the owner. And the reason I do this is because one, we can with no code. And I want to also show you the power of these tools so you could start building your websites, whether it's for your business, you want to rebuild your grandma's website for her knitting company or whatever it might be. Let's jump right into it. And I have to get my eyes on so I can see. All right, here we go. Google Maps. So I was thinking today, we've done a sidekick, we've done an electrician, HVAC. So today I want to try a yoga studio. If you guys have any websites that you want me to redo, leave them in the comments section and I will look through them and we'll look at the ugliest ones and we'll rebuild them. Obviously, yoga is going to have probably a little nicer sites, I would imagine, than most businesses, but I still have hope that we're going to find that one studio that's going to need our help. As soon as it pops up, everybody's going to go, ooh. And what we're going to do is once we find a website, we're going to take all the information from the site. Jackpot. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect. Look at this. Ugly font. Yeah, this is jackpot right here. So this is Royal Fraser maybe? Licensed acupuncturist. Oh, so he's an acupuncturist and yoga. You know what? Let's run with it. So we're going to contact this gentleman. We're coming to the rescue, baby. So here we go. So step 1 is we need to take all the stuff from this website. So I'm going to basically copy all the text from the site. Really, really easy. I'm going to go to Lovable. We're going to paste it in. And then we're going to say this prompt. I want you to create a really beautiful yoga website. Let's give him the link. You guys are watching this in real time. So if you've never seen this before, or if you've never seen Lovable at work, it's pretty incredible what it can do. And you're going to watch it in real time right now. So I'm going to try to edit very little. We're going to have the clock going, see how long this is going to take. And the goal is under 7. Last time it was 7 minutes. So I want you to create a beautiful yoga website. Here's the link. I want you to use all of the text from the website. I want you to create all the standard sections for a yoga site, including navigation, hero section, contact section, about us section, galleries, services, and anything else that modern yoga websites use. Let's finish that. And we're going to say also this. I want this to be a one-page website and all navigation buttons will scroll down to the appropriate sections, period. I don't want this to be a basic website. I want version 1 to be the most amazing looking, modern, stylized, rounded edges, buttons, navigation, animation, and any other features you can add to make it look like $1 million. That is our prompt. Here we go. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. So if you've never watched No Code, my name is Marcin AI. I am a no code AI dev. I build SaaS businesses, games. We have a bunch of projects. And I also run an amazing community called the No Code AI Army. You guys can find all the links below. I don't want to bore you too much with this, but while that's loading for the first prompt, we have 3,263 members. The group is 100% free. You guys could just come in and build. Whether you're a designer, a developer, a creative, plumber, it doesn't really matter. The point is you come in here, you start using the tools, and you start building with us, collaborating with other members. Look at this. I mean, this feed goes on and on and on, all just from the last 3 days. Look at this. So we have people building and launching businesses. Let's get back into it. I don't want to talk too much about that, but I do appreciate it. And of course, if you guys try Lovable, it's all below. It buys me a cup of coffee, a little late night cup of coffee session. What we're also going to do is this is a little website hack. If you guys right click on any website and you save, you click, wait, what? Why didn't it let me do that? Oh, right here, save as. It's going to save the whole site to your desktop. There it is. And now we have the whole site, but more importantly, we have all of the images. Look at this. So guess what? Now we can incorporate all of the design and all of the images from his original website, which we want. This is why we need sites that actually have stuff. So that'll be a great way to actually implement some of his things. So that's going to be the second prompt. First prompt is going to be the build. And then the second prompt is we're going to give him all the photos that we want to use in the site. Here is our first result. Let's take a look at what we got. Again, this is one prompt. You really need to just understand that I said that one thing and this is the result. No hero image, which we'll add. There's some animations. Look at this, about us section. Obviously, we're going to put the picture of Royal Fraser, acupuncture, some nice animations, super clean, super modern. Oh, wow, look at these. This is some nice tabs right here, yoga. We got testimonials, very nice. They don't work yet. Or maybe they do if I click here. They do. Okay, perfect. We got treatments, we got contact info, and we have a send message. Pretty nice. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna go in and we're gonna take some pictures. So let's see what we got. So I love that background image. Here is, and let's actually rename these. So this is background 1. Then we got, it's kind of cheesy. We don't want that. These clouds are kind of cheesy too. But you know what? Let's do one cloud. Maybe I'll include it in somewhere. So cloud. We're going to open up those images. So we're going to paste those and drop those in. And we're going to say, next prompt. So this is prompt number 2. Just so you don't think I'm BSing. Here's our prompt. Now we did all the work. Now we're on prompt 2. I want you to now incorporate all of the images I have provided, period. Look at the names of the images so you can understand where they go, period. Add a nice hero section, enter. So we got images, hero section, it's gonna fill it out, and we're gonna have a really beautiful site. Simple, but that's what we want. It's yoga, tranquility, meditation, and medical acupuncture. Okay, so here's the great thing is I'm not really happy with the look. And this happens. It's just not giving me what I want. So I had an idea. Let's go to Dribble. It's Dribble with 3 B's, the triple B's. And in here, there's a bunch of amazing designs. So let's take an actual design as inspiration, and then let's give it to Lovable and see if he can make it look really nice. So I think this would be a way better approach because sometimes it just doesn't do a nice job. And that's okay. And that's the beauty of this. So these are the tools that I want to show you to make it the best possible website that you can. So here's one right here. What do you guys think about this? No, don't like that. Let's go back. Let's try yoga. Yeah, something's got to pop out. I want it to have like a certain aesthetic. I kind of like this actually. This is kind of cool. Huh. You know what? Let's run with this. It'll be very different than what I've ever done. And I just think it looks pretty slick. Okay, let's go back to it and say this. Go back to desktop. And this is how you're able to actually do this step by step. We're going to drag that image in, and I'm going to say this. I want you to use this image as design inspiration and rebuild the whole site's aesthetics to use this style, the color, the design, the UI, and the UX, period. Don't leave anything undone, period. Rework every single section. There you go. I think that's a good prompt. And I'm also showing you what you can also do by using an image to get your inspiration. So if you do have already a design, you can just put it in there and say, make it look like this. So we're going to definitely try this. I haven't actually had to do this since we've done these series, but I'm kind of glad that it just did a pretty crappy job today with the design. I mean, it's modern and slick. It might have just done too modern from my original prompt. But now let's see what it does with this updated prompt. But we're getting close. Hope you guys are enjoying that. If you guys want to try Lovable below, give a click. And buys me a cup of Joe, my late night. Today it's 11:17. I'm still drinking coffee. You know, definitely join our community. That's the whole idea with this. And come building. I just did a full clone of OfferUp, but not just like a little website like this on my previous video. I did a full blown from A to Z full stack application. Drum roll. Here we go. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this gorgeousness. I doubted you for a second. And you just made this incredible website. Look how beautiful this is. Look at the aesthetic. We took inspiration from an image, and now we are really cooking. Beautiful design, beautiful, even a new logo. Join the journey. We got everything that we wanted, all the sections. Wow, really great job. So what's left is contact the owner, add some more pictures, finalize it, and then ship it off to them. But this is very impressive. You just watched me take this site right here, this website. Look at this. This is probably one of the uglier ones I've seen. And no offense, but 1992 websites just ain't gonna cut it anymore. And then we, with 3 prompts, made this beauty. Look at the aesthetic. It just feels warm. It just feels like yoga. It just feels like acupuncture. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And what's left? This is always the biggest question. But what about hosting? What about getting the site to them? These are all small problems. I could literally publish this right here. I'm going to, just to show you that you could publish it straight to Lovable. So we're going to have a URL that's going to be actually public that I'm going to link below so you guys could look at it. Here it is right here. Yoga, Royal-Yoga app. You guys could see it. And then all I have to do is connect a custom domain right here. Add a domain you own. And then boom, now you have a completed project. You have the domain, you set the DNS, super easy. But in case he doesn't have this. Then what I do is I just download the code, then I hand it off to them, and then they put it on their server. That's the solution. It's all easy. This is the hardest part, is coming up with the idea, finding a design that you like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely check below, hit the link, and I will see you in the next video. And let me know in the comment section, who should we do next? You got a website, you got an auntie, maybe your neighbor's got some weird sock company that needs a new website. Hit me up in the comments, join the community, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.